For a good yield, healthy plants are absolutely a must. Otherwise, it will wipe out all your hard work. Overcome these problems with a simple solution. Barrix Control is a multi-action plant growth supporter. Eco-friendly and safe for use, Barrix Control can be used on all crops, cereals, pulses, commercial crops, oil seeds, plantation and spice crops, fruits, vegetables, floricultural, medicinal and ornamental plants. Barrix Control targets fungi and bacteria such as Alternaria, Cercospora, Ralstonia, Clavibacter and is effective against around 5,000 varieties of microbes which affect plants and their yield. Use Barrix Control from germination stage to maturity stage to improve your plant's immunity, get better yield and better soil fertility. For every acre, mix 100 grams of Barrix Control in 300 liters of water and use. Alternatively, use 5 pouches of 20 grams of Barrix Control in 300 liters of water and use. Barrix Control can be applied in two ways. One, by spraying on to the canopy of the plant or tree, and the other by passing through drips. The ingredients of Barrix Control, namely disodium ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, sodium methyl p hydroxybenzoate, sodium propyl p hydroxybenzoate, along with sodium nitrate and natural alkaloids of tulsi water extracts, play a vital role in controlling bacteria and fungi. Developed after extensive research and field testing, Barrix Control delivers consistent results. The potatoes you see here was grown in UP by a farmer who used Barrix Control as recommended for his plants. Let's see how Barrix Control has revitalized the plant and helped the farmers. Varadaraj from Himagiri Palya, Karnataka grows tomatoes. For the last 3 years, he used Barrix Control and got a healthy plant and more flowers and better yield. Earlier, he used to face problems like leaf spot, blossom blight, but not now. Saplings almost dried up and died. He was worried. He was recommended Barrix Control, sprayed as advised, and now the plants are healthy. Used Barrix Control and got good results. With Barrix Control, yellowing due to fungal infection is now stopped. Preetham Singh near Agra grows capsicum. Got 20% profit with Barrix Control. Very happy. He recommends this to other farmers and asks them to use as he found it good and effective. Brought to you by Barrix Agro Sciences Private Limited, a company founded by Lokesh Makam to help farmers tackle pests in a healthy manner and enable organic farming. The accolades won by Barrix speak for themselves. Barrix is the winner of Power of Ideas, Sankalp Ideas, Will Grow Award, National Rural Innovation Award by NABARD, SIDBI Award. Barrix products are affordable, effective, easy to use and backed by authentic research. For more information, log on to www.barrix.in.